This day is glorious, glorious. The surrounding is absolutely gorgeous. Picture perfect. Upgrades that I have done that I'm going to share with you that made this bike from very good to super good. So the very first thing I did, it probably was like 3 months into ownership, I replaced my wheels. I got those Hunt e-mountain bike wheels directly from Hunt, front and back, and with that I got those Vittoria e-Agarro tubeless tires, and I chose, instead of 2.4, I chose 2.6, the size of the tires, and again, was a perfect choice for me. I'm running somewhere around 20 in the front, about 21, maybe 22 PSI on the back. I always said the OEM fork was perfect, but as the time went by, I decided to get a fork. I look at the RockShox, I look at Suntour, Fox, but my heart was into those Marzocchi Bombers, the Z2s. And again, perfect, absolutely right on the dot, absolutely perfect choice. No regrets at all. The rebound and everything else works as you expect it to be. I always thought about upgrading the seats because to me it's really slippery when I'm riding technical or going downhill or even up hills. I feel that's very slippery, but I haven't had it. I don't want to do yet because there is something here underneath the seat that is a bumper, which I love it, because if I have to move the bike from here to there, all I do is pick it up. And I love this bumper here, which is perfect. No problems at all. So the seat stays as is. Speaking of the seat, this seat post. It is, yes, the lever for the post is not absolutely the best. That probably even my next change will be to replace the lever for the seat post, because the factory one, it's not exactly the best of the best. So my choice will be probably a P&W lever, and but that's for the near future. We're approaching winter now, so it's something that I'm going to wait until the summer. And last but not least, my handlebar. So this is what I did. Race Face Turbine, 760 millimeters the width, length. So far so good. I did replace the grips with P&W. I just put the thicker, large grips, more comfortable. But the whole concept of me swapping the handlebar, it's because I want my hands, when I was riding, when I'm riding, sometimes I wish my hand would be a little bit on the, maybe half an inch to an inch higher, just to give me more comfort. And so as I said, I just heck with it. 40 millimeters should be the perfect swap, which it wasn't, or it is not, because the Aventon is definitely a 30 millimeter ride. So all this bar gave to me, you know, is giving more rigid, and I'm sure it's a better bar. Oh, definitely a better bar than the stock bar. But that's it. Can't say that I'm extremely happy, but with that, nah, I'm okay with that. Maybe should have kept my money and you put it at 60 or not do anything at this point. Oh, find the bunny. Find the bunny trail. Okay, let's go. Chase the bunny.